Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This question is from Olympiad Pathfinder, Chapter 12, Build Your Understanding, question number 5. Three identical point charges are placed on the vertices of an equilateral triangle at how many places within the triangle electric field vanishes? So ABC is the equilateral triangle. For convenience, we have taken the side as 1. You can take any. Q amount of charge is placed at A, Q amount of charge is placed at B, Q amount of charge is placed at C. So the question is asking how many places inside the triangle will the electric field vanish. So you can see in this triangle that at centroid, three electric forces, electric field intensity will be available, one due to A, one due to C, one due to B. So EA, EB and EC. At centroid, BC1, CC1 and AC1 is equal. And charge at A, B and C is of same amount Q. So hence EA will be equal to EB is equal to EC, and let us say that that is equal to E. So if you take the component of EC and EB in the y direction, you can easily see that these two forces in the y direction are cancelling each other, and there is no component of EA in the y direction. Y direction we have taken this, and x direction we have taken this. So now we will check the forces in the x direction. So component of EC in the x direction, component of EB in the x direction. So ECA plus EB into cos 60 degree is half. EC and EB is equal to E, so 2E into cos 60 1 by 2, so it will become E. EA is also E, but it is in opposite direction, so in x direction also the force will be 0. So it means at centroid of the triangle ABC, the electric field is 0, that is vanishes. We have taken a random point O within the triangle at median AD. And we'll calculate for EB, EC and EA and check on the median how many points the electric field will become 0. The total electric field will become 0. So OB and OC has been taken as R, where O is on the median AD. That's why. EB will be K into Q by R square, because R is the distance from O to B. Same way EC will be K into Q by R square. For EA, you will write K into Q into OA square, but OA is AD minus OD, AD minus OD ka whole square. But AD is root 3 by 2 from this triangle ABD, or you can get it from ACD also. The result is same. And OD is R, this is R sine theta. But sine theta you can calculate from BOD as this. So put the value and you will be getting this. Upon simplifying, the field at O due to point charge at A will be this much. Now summation of electric field in the y direction will be the component of EB and EC field in the y direction. The component of EB and EC in the y direction are equal and opposite and will cancel out each other. So y direction summation of EY is 0. The total field to be 0 here, the field in the x direction should also be 0 because y direction we have already got that it is 0. But field in the x direction is the component of EB in the x direction, component of EC in the x direction, and EA is already lying in the x direction towards the negative x direction. So this should be 0. EBX and ECX, EB sine theta, EC sine theta, that will be equal to EA. For EB sine theta and EC sine theta, if we put the value of EB and EC and sine theta, we will be getting this. So we will plot the graph for this. We have taken few values here. Why it has been taken from 1 by 2? Because if you keep r value less than 1 by 2, this will become imaginary. But we have to find the real points. So we have taken from 1 by 2. So at 1 by 2 it is 0, 1 is this much, 3 by 2 is this much. So this table we have made to make a graph. Same way for EA, we have started from 1 by 2 at point 1 when r is equal to 1. Then denominator will become 0 and EA will become infinity. So these are the values which has been calculated. First we have made the graph for this EBX plus ECX. So we get the graph like this, the blue color. For EA, the graph is like this. It is going infinity at 1. So EA will cut at 2 points the EBX and ECX. One is here and one will be somewhere down this. So there are two solutions for this equation. It means, so at 2 points on the median, the electric field will be 0. But out of that 1 point, out of that 2 point, 1 point will be the centroid. So 1 point will be other than centroid on the median. But we know that there are 3 medians in the triangle. So apart, and each median will have the same centroid. So apart from centroid, there will be 1 point on each median where the electric field will have 0 value, that is vanishes. So total point will be, you can go through the write-up. On each median there will be 2 points, Out of that, one is centroid, but centroid is common to all three medians of the triangle. So there will be 1 point only apart from the centroid. So there are three medians, so 3 points plus 1 point at centroid. So total 4 points will be there where the electric field will vanish. Please go through the write-up. This will give you ease in understanding. In case of any doubt, please do write in the comment box. I will clarify. Your interaction is important for me. Thank you.